Hi, it's Chris with WTI.
I recently installed this aftermarket combined hour meter and tachometer made by Hardline products on my Coleman power generator. I have to admit it was extremely easy to install. It comes with approximately 3 feet of small gauge wire that you simply wrap around the spark plug ignition wire and secure it with a provided zip tie. I then safely ran the wire to a point on my generator where I installed the unit. I was happy that the display unit is small enough that it blends in perfectly with the control panel on the generator. I like that the product is completely sealed and is therefore weatherproof. My installation was plug and play. It worked first time. As soon as I started up the 4-stroke 10 horsepower engine, it recorded the generator manufacturer's recommended engine speed of 3600 to 3700 RPMs. I also like that the readout on the monitor is bright and easy to read. It comes with this handy logbook, which I will use to monitor the generator's recommended oil change intervals. A low RPM readout will provide me with an indication if I need to clean or change the spark plugs.
All in all, I'm quite happy with this product, and I'm sure you will be too. But that's just my point of view.